How to remove drawing tools on MetaTrader 5. Are you guys facing issues to remove drawing tools on MetaTrader 5 app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaTrader 5 on your device. Once you open the app, you can see the drawing tool over here. To just simply remove it, just hold it for a second. Once you hold it, you will be provided with multiple options like delete, copy, style and properties. You want to delete it, right? Click on delete. Once you click on it, your drawing tool will be removed. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna remove or delete the drawing tool on MetaTrader 5 app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.